Hi my lovely people, welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you are a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video, I am going to tell you whether the cloud fresher job openings are really exist in today's market. Yes, if you ask me, I am going to say you yes, because I am going to show you with the proof. Okay, so coming to the today's topic, it may be the AWS cloud or Azure cloud or it may be a GCP cloud, guys. Today in the market we have so many opportunities for AWS fresher. If you compare to the Azure as well as GCP, for the GCP level you don't have any fresher job openings currently, and coming to the Azure you have very less number of openings. That too they are happening very rarely. Coming to the AWS as well as DevOps, you are really having a good opportunities. If you don't believe, please check out my previous videos in my channel. Okay, so where I have uploaded videos for you guys. Okay, so coming to the topic, today I'm going to show you about 5 to 6 job openings in the mainly in the AWS as well as a DevOps fresher. Okay, so if you're a fresher having complete 0 years of experience, or if you're having at least 3 months 6 months of internship experience in this domains, I'm requesting everyone, please watch this video completely till the end and try to apply for this job opportunities. Okay, so coming to the first job opening, today the first job openings come from the company called Airbus. Okay, so this is one of the India startup company, okay, where they are mainly hiring for the internship opportunity, guys. So here, if you don't have any working experience, if you are completely fresh, you just try for this internship, guys. First try for the internship, then you are going to get a job easily. Okay, so here the internship opportunity is internship in CSD, they have clearly mentioned. Okay, so if you come into the details of this internship opportunity, they have mentioned here the job location is Bengaluru, and moreover this is a full-time job opportunity. As you can see, they have posted this internship opportunity just before a day, that is yesterday. Okay, so if you're a person who wants to start your career in the AWS DevOps or in the CI/CD, you can easily grab this opportunity. Here they have mentioned about the key responsibilities, what you are going to do, and here they are what are the skills they are expecting from you. See, you should have a degree, guys. It may be in the computer science or information technology or in the engineering, or it may be in the any field, but you should have a degree. The next is you should have been familiar with AWS cloud provider. That is as I already told you. Yes. If you are mainly from the AWS cloud, you are having vast opportunities. So please, if you are very good at AWS services, please apply for this internship. And you should have knowledge on CI/CD. Okay, that is, and they have also mentioned infrastructure as code and GitOps methodologies. Okay. Here, the one more thing they have asked is understanding of containerization and containerization orchestration. That is Docker and Kubernetes they have asked. And you should be having familiarity with scripting languages. It may be Bash, Python, anything your choice. Okay. And you should be a proficient in automation tools and frameworks, and you should have a strong communication skills. See, they are expecting mainly a basics, or at least you should be familiar with all these things, guys. Here they have mentioned clearly, right? So you should be having. Look at this preferred skills, experience with continuous deployment. By looking at this, you may feel it's for the experience. No, guys, it's completely for the fresher. Here they have mentioned. Look at this, employment type is internship, and moreover experience level is student. See, you should be a student. You may be from the passed out year in the year of 2024, 2023, 2022, no problem, you can apply. Okay, here, and they are asking for familiarity with large scale data processing tools. Okay, and you should be having the good analytical skills, and you should know how the agile software development process works. So these are all the basic skills which they are mainly expecting from a fresher like you guys. So if you're a fresher, you don't have any working experience, if you don't have any internship opportunities, please try to apply for this. This is a golden opportunity for you guys. Okay, just go to this apply now section and apply for this position. Now coming to the second one. Okay, the second one comes from the company called Zar. Okay, so this is also one of the startup company. They are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps intern, and the job locations comes is Bengaluru. Okay, if we come into the details of this job opening, okay, this is the job, guys, not an internship opportunity, I'm telling you. Here they have mentioned the technologies which you will be working: AWS, Docker, Kubernetes, computer networks, Linux, Jenkins, OpenTelemetry, Envoy, Istio, Jenkins, Cloud Security, Terraform. So if you are working on this, they will be expecting the skills from you. So if you should be having knowledge on this, you should be having knowledge on the AWS cloud, Docker, Kubernetes, computer networking, everything. Linux is very must and should be having knowledge on Docker, Kubernetes, everything, guys. So if you want to more details about this, they have mentioned the responsibilities. Okay, what you will be doing when you join this company, whatever the responsibilities you will be sharing with this position, here they are clearly mentioned. Please try to read this. Okay, please try to read this and modify your resume as according to this, then apply for this job openings. Okay, now coming to the third one. Okay, sorry. So try to apply as according to this JD. And if you want to apply for this internship opportunity, no, sorry. If you want to apply for this job opportunity, just go to this apply for this position, guys. Okay, click on this. Okay, and you can easily apply for this position. Look at this. The application is open till now. You can just attach your CV and you can enter your basics detail and you can also apply for this position. Okay, so this is the second job opportunity for you guys. Now coming to the third one. Okay, so the third one comes from the company called Trellix. Okay, so the company name itself is a Trellix, and moreover the job location is a Bengaluru. Okay, so these all are today's which I am going to show. Most of them are from Bangalore location. Okay, so here this is the job title is they have mentioned is cloud apprenticeship. Okay, so here they have mentioned it's mainly we are seeking a talented software engineer with a knowledge of Java, Python, JavaScript to join our Dynamics team. They have clearly mentioned, see, you should be good at least one programming language. It may be Java, Python and a JavaScript. Okay, so you should be good at least one programming language. That is very mandatory for this position, guys. If you don't have knowledge on programming language, please don't apply. Next is you should be collaborate closely with cross-functional team including product management, design, QA to deliver high quality software solutions. Okay, so here you will be collaborating with various teams. Okay, be prepared for this. Next is write a clean, maintainable, efficient code adhering to coding standards and best practices. So you should be able to write the code. Okay, that is the main important thing. And you should be good at here they have mentioned that you should be good at code reviewing and all. Identify and address technical debt and refactor existing code bases as necessary, improve the system maintainability and scalability. Okay, so you should be able to identify, address the technical issues also. And next, this position is mainly for the cloud apprentices, guys. So they are mainly looking for the cloud as well as one programming language. So you should be good at it may be AWS cloud, Azure cloud, fine, and you should be good at least one programming language, your choice. Okay, so here they have mentioned about the stay updated on emerging technologies, industry trends, evaluate their potential for adaptation with organization. So you should be able to update yourself from the industry standards. Okay, here they mention the company benefits and perks. Okay, so just go to this apply now section and apply for this job. This is a golden opportunity for guys. See, cloud plus a programming language is a hot trending now. Okay, it may be the DevOps plus any programming language plus cloud. This is very this is just like a booming nowadays. So if you're a fresher, please try to learn at least one programming language. It's going to be very useful for you. Okay, you can just go to this apply now section and apply. Now coming to the fourth one. Here the fourth one comes from the company called Vismo. Okay, so this company name itself is a Vismo, and they are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps intern. Okay, as you can see, they have posted this job opportunity on the 5th of on the 6th of May. Okay, 2024. That is just before 3 days. Okay, if you come into the details of this, here the work experience they are mainly expecting is 0 to 1 year of experience. Okay, you may be complete fresher or you may be having at least 3 months, 6 months. Or 1 year of working experience, no problem, you can apply. Moreover, the job location is Bengaluru. Okay, so here they have mentioned about the job description and all. As I've already told you, this is a DevOps engineer intern position. Here you will be having the internship. Sorry, you will be not having a job opportunity. They have clearly mentioned advantages of this internship. You are going to learn the basics quality of a DevOps engineer. You will be able to learn and apply the DevOps principle. Okay, so they have given about the internship advantages and all. But we'll leave this, you can read yourself. I'm going to focus on qualifications. Say you should have a degree, guys, that is very important. Next is you should be having the knowledge on DevOps domain. You should be having the knowledge on DevOps tools and technologies. Next is basic understanding of Linux and Unix operating systems. As I already mentioned in my previous videos and all, we should be having the knowledge on Linux and Unix. That is very basics. Okay, and you should have familiarity with at least one programming language. As I already told you previously, right? You should have at least one programming language knowledge. It may be the Python, Java, JavaScript, Node.js, anything, your choice. You should have at least one programming language. And if you look at this last point, look at this, you should be having the understanding of Docker, Kubernetes and containers is a plus. So they have basically asking DevOps tools and technologies, one programming languages, you should be good at Linux, as well as you should be knowing the Docker and Kubernetes. Okay, so these are basics from a DevOps engineer fresher. They are expecting from you very good good going opportunity for you guys, internship opportunity. Please don't miss this. Okay, if you are having working experience also, you can apply for this internship. You are going to get a real-time experience. Okay, and here they have mentioned about what they're going to offer you for this internship during the internship opportunity and all. So please apply for this internship opportunity also. Just go to this apply now section and you can apply for this internship. Okay, before moving into the fifth one, guys, see, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. This is a daily job updates channel, okay, where I will be providing you the daily job updates. Please subscribe and encourage me so that I can daily bring a job openings for you guys. Okay, and moreover, if you want all the job opening links which I have shown you now, you can directly message me on this Instagram handle Vishwakarkale. Okay, this is my Instagram handle Vishwakarkale. You just need to send a request. Okay, so if please send me a request, I can send you all the job opening links completely free, guys. As you can see here, one of the person has messaged me. He has requested me to share the AWS Azure DevOps fresher links. As you can see here, I have shared him the links, right? So I will be sharing you all the links, job opening links, completely free without taking a single rupees from you. So please try to send me request and message me, guys. Okay, so messaging is very important. If you just try to follow me, you don't get any updates. Please message me so that I can send you all the links completely free. Okay, now coming to the fifth job opportunity. Here the fifth job opportunity comes from the company called 2070 Health. Okay, so this is also one of the company. Okay, this is one of the healthcare company where they are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer, and moreover this is a hybrid job opportunity for you guys, and the job location is Bengaluru, Karnataka. As you can see, this is a full-time job opportunity. It's not an internship, as I'm clearly stating you guys. We are seeking a junior DevOps engineer with 1 to 2 years of hands-on experience in managing scaling cloud-based infrastructure, particularly using AWS services. As I've already told you, today in this current market trend, you are having a vast openings in the AWS services. So if you are very good at AWS services plus DevOps, you can easily apply for this position. Here they have mentioned about the key responsibilities. Okay, please try to read yourself. I'm going to read about the requirement section. You should be good at AWS services such as ECS, ELB, EC2. Okay, they have clearly mentioned what they're expecting from you. They have mentioned about the services, right? You please try to mention the services in your resume also to get shortlisted. And one more thing, guys, if your resume gets shortlisted, then only you are going to get a email or a response. If your resume doesn't get shortlisted, you are not going to get any response from the recruiter. Telling you, okay? So if you don't get any response, think that you haven't got selected. Your resume hasn't got selected. Okay. Next is experience with infrastructure as code, preferably Terraform. They have mentioned that you should be knowing how to create the infrastructure by using the Terraform. Okay, it may be the real-time experience or hands-on experience, no problem, but you should know how to create the infrastructure by using the you should know how to create the AWS infrastructure by using the Terraform. Next is familiarity with CI/CD pipelines, specifically using GitHub Action. So here they have mentioned that you should be knowing the CI/CD pipelines, that is by using the tool called GitHub Actions, and understanding of basic networking, security, data storage concepts. So here you should be having you should know about the concepts of networking, security, data storage. Okay, and you should be able to write the scripting. It may be the Bash or a Python. That is very important. Okay, they have clearly mentioned preferred means you should be good and you should have knowledge on this. You should know how to write the scripting. That is very important. Qualifications: 1 to 2 years of experience DevOps role, preferably handling production environment. See, for 1 to 2 years of experience candidate, no one is going to give the production environments. Please don't expect from this. Okay, see, if you have any internship experience, like working experience in any one of the companies, please try to apply for this. Bachelor degree, as I already told you, you should have a degree, and you should know how to problem solving skills, and you should have excellent communication and team skills. Okay, so these are all the things which they are mainly expecting from you in this job position. Okay, and here they have mentioned about the benefits what they are going to offer you when you join this organization. Okay, so please apply for this position by clicking at this section. Here I have shown you everything, right? So if you are unable to apply for this position by here, just click on this application section, guys. Okay, as you can see, it's opening, right? You can just import your resume, and it's going to fill all your personal details automatically. Okay, So please don't try to miss this opportunity. These are very good opportunity in the current market trend. Okay, that too mainly for the freshers. Now coming to the last one, that is sixth job opportunity for you guys. Okay, the sixth one comes from the company called Alpha Grep. Okay, so this is a Alpha Grep Securities, where they are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer, and the job locations they have mentioned is India. So here they have mentioned the job location is India, but here they haven't mentioned the specific job locations. In India only, it may be the remote or it may be in the Bangalore location. Okay, wherever it may be, please try to apply. Here coming to the details of this, the role focuses on L1 level of monitoring and support for our production trading applications and infrastructure. So you will be mainly focused on level, you will be focused on mainly monitoring section, and you will be providing the support for the production environment. Okay, so here the ideal candidates, you should be having hands-on experience on the providing first level monitoring and engineering support. You should be familiar with Linux, guys. Okay, that is main important thing. You should be knowing the familiarity with basic networking tools like ping, traceroute, etc. Okay, they have clearly mentioned. You should be knowing all this. Please try to mention this in your resume. Then only your resume is going to get shortlisted. Next is you should have a basic understanding of scripting languages, Bash or Python. Okay. So coming to the qualifications which they are mainly expecting from you is you should have a 1 to 3 years of experience, hands-on experience. Okay. So if you have done some internship experience like 6 months, 1 year of internship, multiple internship opportunities, if you have done, or if you have 1 year of working experience, you can apply. You should have a degree. Okay, and you should be able to manage multiple tasks in a fast-paced environment. So you should be able to work on multiple projects or multiple tasks, and you should have a passion towards new technologies learning. Okay, and they have mentioned good communication. See, coming to the skills, and they have mentioned about soft skills, guys. They haven't mentioned about the technical skills which they are expecting from you. You should be mainly good at Linux, and you should be good at networking tools like ping and traceroute, and you should know the Bash, Python. Okay, so these are very basics and all. So if you are good at Linux and scripting, please apply for this position. Okay, and just go to this apply now section, click on this. Okay, as you can see, you can easily fill your all the basic details and apply for this position also. So these are all the 6 job openings which I have got you for you guys. If you are looking for any other job opportunities in any other domains, it may be in the Java, Node.js, C+, it may be the cyber security, no problem. You can just mention me in the comment section in the domain name. I'm going to bring you a fresher as well as experienced job openings for you guys. You may be from the any domains. Okay, I'm going to bring you job openings. So please try to mention in the comment section. All the best for your interviews. Have a good day. Bye.